Investing for Teenagers: 7 Fun and Easy Investment Strategies for the Modern Teen to Get Rich and Live a Stress-Free Life. Welcome to Budgeting Bridges, your gateway to financial wisdom and wealth-building strategies. I'm Giesen, your financial guide on this exciting journey. Today, we're diving into the world of smart investing as we explore the book Investing for Teenagers: 7 Fun and Easy Investment Strategies for the Modern Teen to Get Rich and Live a Stress-Free Life by Maggie and Giesen. If you're a teen looking to secure your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the investment strategies, it's important to understand the basics of finance. The book starts by explaining fundamental concepts like savings, budgeting, setting financial goals. It's all about building a strong foundation for your financial future. Now that you have a solid understanding of financial basics, it's time to learn about investing. The authors introduce the concept of investing and why it's essential, especially at a young age. They emphasize the benefits of starting early and the power of compounding. Here's the exciting part. The book presents 7 investment strategies specifically designed for teenagers. These strategies are not only accessible but also fun. They're explained in a user-friendly manner, making it easy for you to get started on your investment journey. Of course, investing comes with risks. The book teaches you how to assess and manage these risks, promoting responsible financial decision-making. It's all about making informed choices and protecting your hard-earned money. The authors stress the importance of long-term investing and the power of compounding. They show you how starting early can make a significant difference in building wealth over time. It's all about setting yourself up for a secure financial future. To make the content relatable, the book uses real-life examples and stories. These examples help illustrate key points and show you how investing can work in the real world. It's like learning from the experiences of others. Lastly, the book emphasizes the importance of developing good financial habits. It's not just about investing, but also about building a solid financial future. The authors provide guidance on how to make smart financial decisions that will set you on the path to a stress-free life. That's a wrap for today's exploration of investing for teenagers. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Budgeting Bridges for more financial insights and book summaries. Also, remember to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future book summaries, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards financial success. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep building those bridges to a brighter future.